Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling the floating notification feature so notifications can appear above apps. Open Settings, go to Notifications, then select Brief Pop-up or Floating Notifications for the app you want. Make sure you grant notification access and allow display over other apps when the prompt appears, because without overlay permission, the pop-up won't show. Once done, test with a message or alert to confirm it appears while another app is open. This first step prepares the phone to surface quick, actionable alerts. Next, you customize which apps use floating notifications and how they behave. Go into each app's notification settings and switch the floating option on or off to control clutter. This is why you pick only essential apps. Then adjust priority, sound, and vibration so important alerts stand out without being disruptive. Make sure Do Not Disturb exceptions include the same critical apps, otherwise floating alerts may be suppressed. Once configured, send a test alert to verify visual layout and timing match your preferences. To finish, use the feature for a day and tweak settings as needed. Small changes improve workflow. If notifications fail to appear, first check overlay permissions and ensure battery optimization isn't blocking the app, because aggressive power saving often suspends pop-ups. Restart the phone after changing permissions. If problems persist, reset the app's notifications or toggle the floating option off and on. One troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache if a single app misbehaves. Then finalize settings and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.